Welcome back, guys. We are doing the Shop Till You Drop. This is inspired by my trip to Rodeo Drive in Beverly Hills, California. This is what the printout will look like after you might want to transfer it to any paper of your choice. I transferred it from the printout. This is what the printout looked like. I went ahead and used it as a transfer, and now I'm going to do a little illustration watercolor. Very typical of what I usually do. So you may join me, use any watercolors of your choice. You can use colored pencils, crayons, whatever you like. And let's have some fun. In the spirit of shopping, this girl's got it all. Okay, let's go. I'm just going to lightly wet this background just to give her a little loose kind of an atmosphere in the back. Make sure you check that description box for all your full details on how to get the printables. And I did a last video on how to do a quick transfer process. Make sure you check that out. And I want everybody to have fun painting or coloring along here. It was a warm, sunny day. It was slightly humid, but it was a really nice day. I checked out all those luxury shops. So beautiful there. My first time, and I lived in California my whole life, and I have never even been to Rodeo Drive. And I never even stopped in Beverly Hills, but it was fun. I highly recommend it if you come to California. I'm going to get a little bit of this yellow. This lady's going to have a white Chanel-inspired suit. She's got her shopping bags, her purse. She has her hair all pinned up under her shady, beautiful, stylish hat. Yeah, so... And I did see some people dressed up fancy there, but mostly everybody's kind of tourist or just everyday casual. It's a very friendly, welcoming place. Very pretty, very clean. I think you'll enjoy it if you ever stop by. I'd go back again. It was really fun. It's kind of like just doing the background a little bit. Then we'll get started on her beautiful outfit, her shopping bags, her purse. I really energized that background, got it started. I'm using a number 10 round to do that. They had so many shops. They had Chanel, they had Dior, they had Louis Vuitton. They had a special showing for Louis Vuitton's 200th birthday. There was an art show going on in one of the stores. It was like a shop they put up. Really cool. Really, really nice. Gosh, there's so many stores. Tory Burch. I mean, I didn't go into all of them, but I really did my best to try to check them all out. They had, gosh, what else did they have? They had a lot of eateries there. They had a beautiful park that was off the side, the Beverly Hills Garden Park. That's where we started our adventure. My husband was with me. They had, oh yes, they had Tiffany's. So many shops. It's unbelievable. You couldn't even probably get to all of them in one day, but so many to explore. Today I'm going ahead and just using my Mungyo pan set. That seems to be the best for me these days. I love it. And I'm mixing some in these wells, and I got my other porcelain wells going on over here. Got my 2 cups of water over here, variety of brushes, water for spritzing to activate your paints. And just come along, have some fun with me, think about a fun day shopping. I did mostly window shopping. It is quite pricey, but you'll just love just looking at how everything is set up there. They have doormen in every shop that let you in behind a velvet rope. Quite the experience. One of the stores I went into was the House of Versace. Beautiful, beautiful store, 2-story building. Some of them were even 3 stories. Okay, as I said before, this is going to be a white suit, so we're just going to mostly be adding some shadowing. She has a white faux fur trim on here. Let's add a little bit of this brown, just kind of lightly brush that in. It's a wet on dry technique right now, just kind of emphasizing not much color at all. Just kind of do her little hat band here. She's got a little fluffy piece of material in the back there. She's got her sunglasses on because it is sunny. I always wear my sunglasses in California or everywhere. She is ready to go. She has it all. Heart-shaped glasses. I'm going to do a little light wash of this. It's got a little bit of this yellowy, reddish, and I'm going to mix some of this white. I'll mix it right here in the middle. It's going to be for her skin. She might even get a little bit of suntan. I know I got a little bit of suntan that day. I'm going to continue that skin. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit of this blushy color. Have it mixed up here, this kind of rougey, little bit burgundy color. Add it on her lips. And I may be going into a little bit of a time lapse, and you can just watch along. Have any questions, let me know. Think of a great day window shopping in Beverly Hills on Rodeo Drive. And I'd like to thank you for joining me. Like and subscribe. Once again, tell your friends, come on over, check out my channel, and let's have some fun painting this happy little shopper. She's got some nice little shopping bags here. She went to the farmer's market and got some fresh florals. Just gonna wet it. Now we're gonna do a little bit of a wet on wet. Let's grab some of that. Just gonna dot that in. This is just a fun, simple little illustration. Have fun with it. Grab some green, tap that in. Also, she has some shopping papers here. Maybe make those a little bit blue. She's probably been to the Chanel store, possibly the Dior store. She's been everywhere. Okay, I'm going to go into a time-lapse mode next, so just follow along if you can and have fun.